channel. It's your girl Liz. We are in Oklahoma right now.
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are. We came here to Oklahoma because we were looking at things to do.
We just wanted to get away.
Yeah, like
I know she was in Texas. She's been in Texas for a while. So I was like, let's go somewhere where we both have not been.
And I found this like really like pretty national park, and it has like waterfalls and underground caves and like all that like nature shit. Here in Oklahoma, they're like, it's like an attraction, I guess. And it was only like what, like 3 hours away from my house. I was like, hey, let's just go. So we have 4 days here planned. We barely got here last night. We haven't really done much. Right now we came to a really pretty park that we looked up. We saw the sunset earlier. I didn't get it on camera, but you know. And I took a couple of pictures, you know.
Hi. Pictures.
And he helped me. Well, I mean, he helped me. But you've been in Texas for too long.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah, he helped me take some pictures for the gram, and they came out really good. What are we doing now? Subscribe to my channel. People are serious. Anyways, so yeah, the plan for tomorrow is to wake up early, you know, eat breakfast, and the national park is like, is it national? What they call national parks?
I would say it's a tourist attraction.
Yeah. Anyways, it's like an hour away from where we're at. We're like in the center of Oklahoma City, so it's like an hour drive. So we're gonna wake up, you know, get ready, and then go to that.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
We'll see you guys tomorrow, yeah. So we just got back to the house earlier. We were pretty hungry. So we're making dinner. Well, I'm making dinner. He's chilling out, watching that 70s show, but it's okay. On today's menu...
Yeah, coochie crazy.
What? What's on today's menu? But yeah, I'm gonna make steak, like a side of veggies, spinach, you know. Something healthy.
What you saying, best friend? What you saying, best friend?
I'm not saying I'm a chef or anything, but you'll never be hungry with me. Wife me up. Wife me up. Bone apple queef.
Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Love is all you want. Missing someone. Love is hard. How much you miss it. And you miss it. And you miss it. And you miss it. And you did it right from the start.
What way should we go? Oh look, that's a cave. Yeah.
I'm trying to get on my knees.
you gotta get dirty, bitch. Right? Is it a cave?
No mames.
That's a cave, right? Do you want to go in it?
What do you mean?
That's a cave, right?
No, wait, that's una víbora y no mames.
No, pendejo, it's a cave. It's a cave. It leads somewhere else.
Si quieres ver tú, güey.
You don't want to come with me?
Fuck no.
It's a little cave, though. Yeah, it smells like shit. Oh my God. Record me going into a tunnel.
No one lives.
Whoa, come in here.
Fuck that. I ain't doing that shit. No. No. This bitch got me fucked up. She thinks I'm going there. I'm not doing that shit.
You
man.
have to.
I ain't.
Eva. No, really.
No.
Oh my god. Me embarré de lodo, pero...
Ew, bitch.
Can you come inside, please?
It smells like shit.
It does. Come on. Do it. See, I told you. Look. And it keeps on going up here. We're going to keep on going. Come on. Come on.
I want to scream. I feel disgusting. Wait, no. I feel disgusting.
Come on. Oh shit.
Do we have to go back?
No, there's more. Man, how did y'all get down there?
The shoes. It's the shoes for me. Fuck everything else. My shoes.
It's okay.
No, they're not.
Why are you itching, bro? It's okay.
I want to take a shower.
Fuck, I can't stop laughing.
We've been through some shit.
Literally been through some shit. We came and we found a little lake, or not a lake. This, we're gonna rinse off in this now. Quitarnos toda la mugre. That was fun though. I've never done something like that before.
Missing someone.
I seriously never want to leave. Like, this is amazing. Like, damn, bro, this is fucking beautiful. Like, Hey guys, so it's been 4 days already since Sylvester left, and as I was editing the video, I realized I didn't do an outro, so here I am. I hope you guys really enjoyed my vlog. I really missed being on YouTube. It feels good to be back. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Missing someone.